job. All right.
Okay, Park Ranger LB, I think there could be alligators here because this is an alligator park.
Awesome.
I found them. I think they're right over here.
Cool.
The sign says, do not feed the gators. So don't feed the gators, Park Ranger LB, or they might come over here before feeding time and eat you up. Okay, LB, look. This platform here takes us out in the middle of all these American alligators. It's kind of freaky looking, isn't it? They're all just laying out there like statues and everything. Like, it almost looks like a concrete statue, doesn't it? But I bet if it came up here and you weren't paying attention, it would get you. Okay, let's go to feeding time.
No.
Man, look, he's just feeding them like big steaks or something is what it looks like, huh?
I notice after they get fed, they get still again.
Hey, big boy.
Oh, look at that one there.
Alligators don't eat anything in the winter time. And these alligators are just now coming out from being dormant. They just started eating. The bigger and fatter they are, the longer it takes. So he's still a little bit dormant.
Oh, that one didn't get fed.
Oh man, that's scary. I wouldn't want to reach that close to an alligator, would you?
Yeah. You will do as my command.
Hey, Park Ranger LB, you having fun with the chickens?
Yeah.
You feeding them grass here? Hey, you know what? I think there's some more farm animals right over
yeah.
there. You want to go check it out? Cool. Come on, let's go.
Yes!
Okay, LB. I think there could be some toys hidden inside this barn, okay?
Cool.
Go check it out.
Let's do this.
So what kind of animal is that right there?
I think it's a pig.
Is that a pig? And that's a goat. You missed that one. How about here?
Turkey.
Turkey, yeah, that's a turkey. And those are lemurs in there, but I don't see them anywhere.
Oh,
And this was a bull, but I think he walked off. And that's a surprise toy.
Cool.
Cool, go grab it.
Cool.
Cool, it's an Animal Planet rescue excursion. It's like an alligator set. Awesome,
Ooh,
it's
I
perfect
wonder
for an
what's on
alligator
the
park, huh?
back. What's on the back?
Let's go open it up and see what's inside, okay? Okay, Park Ranger LB. Cool, let's open this bad boy up.
Yeah.
So we've got this little airboat here, and then we got an alligator's gonna get you. Okay, and then this guy, yeah, we got all the baby alligators, and then they go like, and then the guy, he's the rescue guy, is probably gonna get eaten by the alligator. And then he goes in, oh no, I broke his legs off.
Good one.
Good one, Park Ranger here. Like I seriously broke his legs off. Okay, well, he's gonna sit here. Alligator sits on his perch, and the boat comes along, and the alligator's watching him. And all the baby alligators are ready. Put the stuff in there, okay.
He's mad because I
broke his legs off. Here, close it. All right. Now he spins his propeller here. All right, so he's coming along, and his net scoops up all the little baby alligators like that, and takes them off to the alligator farm. So the big mama alligator is up here, and she's mad, and so he comes by.
My body came off. Ooh, it's tortoise. Here, eat some leaves. You should have. Turtle race. Wow.
Hey, LB, did you find the surprise toy?
Cool.
Cool, it's the Soccer Boppers inflatable, like, boxing gloves. I think we can get, like, in a boxing challenge with this, okay? Cool, let's go try it out. Let's open up the Soccer Boppers. Okay, one for you, and one for me. Okay, now we're gonna have, wait a minute. think we were supposed to buy 2 sets. Oh well, you take one and I'll take one. And we're gonna go over here and have a boxing match, okay? Put them up. Wait, this one's got a problem, it doesn't hit. Come on, show me what you got, Park Ranger LB. How about you missed? I thought you were doing Taekwondo, huh? You gonna try this on the dinosaurs, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, LB, do you see any toys around here anywhere? Man. Oh, there. Oh, wait. That's just a log. Okay, missed that. Ooh, wow, what kind of snake is that? He's kind of mean. Hey, what's that right there?
It's a toy.
Is that a surprise toy?
Cool.
Awesome. It's an Animal Planet remote control king cobra.
Cool.
Let's go open it up and try it out.
Yeah.
Come on. So this is our remote control king cobra from Animal Planet. This is gonna be cool, I think. Ooh. I wonder how it moves around.
So you see this button? If you push that, if you're pushing this and this, it goes forward that way. Bye bye.
All right, this is Sharon and LB. Sharon's got an American alligator here. You want to hold it?
Now remember, you're gonna hold about in the
Like
middle
that?
of his tail, like
There
that.
you
Don't
go,
keep
like
sliding
that.
to the end, okay? And I'll let you slide up under my hand
Like
that
a
way.
little hook. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So it's kind of cold. Is it kind of cold?
Did you notice how many toes he has in the front and the back?
There's 5 in the front and 4 in the back.
He has 18
Oh,
toes, and he has 2 sets of eyelids too.
Did he just pee on me? You want to check out that big one? And that one's,
Want to see that one?
that's not breathing, is it? All right, there we
All
go.
right, y'all comparing
I got a bigger one.
You like the bigger one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you want to see if we can find some snakes now?
Ooh,
Yeah, let's
I
find some
got plenty
snakes.
of snakes for you. All the snakes in here in the lobby are constrictors. They like to eat rats. Except Elvis has a little different thing. He eats other snakes and he'll eat all the poison snakes, so he's kind of like a snake vacuum cleaner and a good one to have around. Yay! Look at you. Good job.
Got a little.
All right.
All
Right.
right.
He's got a fancy necktie. You can twist him around it too. Now look up there and say, look at my new tie. New necklace? Necklace
Great
run
job, Park Ranger LB.
away. You are doing well. This is Monty.
He's not a Monty Python, is he?
He's a ball python.
Ooh, does pythons bite?
No, he's not a bite. He's also another constrictor. You know why they stick their tongue out? They're looking for something warm. They're sensing. They can smell. They're like, oh,
Is it
it's cold. It's cold over here.
They smell through their tongue, right?
The sides of their tongue, they have little holes on their snout that help them sense. And he's like, I'm looking for someone warm to sit on. He's like, that's why he's coming back here.
So what kind of python is this
A
again?
ball python.
What's the name of this guy?
This is Lemon Drop, and he's
Lemon
an
Drop.
albino Burmese python.
Albino Burmese python. So Park Ranger LB, you think we should get one of these back at the dinosaur park? No, you'd rather have dinosaurs around than this? Oh, okay, it's like licking my arm now. Want to see what other critters they have here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, awesome.
A bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon.
This is Berta.
Berta. Come here, LB. There you go.
Oh, look at you.
There. The chinchilla from
South America.
South America. Okay, Chin, you can go back.
Okay. Hurry, your turn. See?
Oh, wow.
Turn. I never get a turn.
Okay, LB, I think we should get a souvenir to take home with us. How about one of these growing alligator eggs?
When it gets home, it's gonna get...
It's gonna get you to it. Oh, hey, you know what else we can get? Let's get one of these umbrella hats here.
Red.
What color? You want red?
Red.
Are you gonna put this on instead of your little safari hat there?
Yeah.
There. And then this just pops on your head.
Ah,
There we go.
ah.
That'll keep you in the shade all day. You're gonna put that on top. There. All right, cool. Let's take them home. Come on.